Hello, and welcome to the ThoughtStream Consulting online TM1 tutorials. This is the first installment of a two-part series entitled Manually Creating Dimensions. The processes used to manually create dimensions are relatively simple and utilize some of the basic functionality of TM1. These are good exercises to know and to understand as you continue to become more proficient with TM1 in the future. Today I'm going to show you the first and the most basic method in which you can manually create dimensions in TM1. Let's begin by navigating to the Server Explorer window and right-clicking on the Dimensions module. Then select Create New Dimension. This opens up the Dimension Editor window where you can add and delete elements as well as create element hierarchies. Click Edit on the menu toolbar and scroll down and select Insert Element. This opens up the Insert Element window. In this window, you can define the elements that will populate your dimension. For the purposes of this exercise, I will create the elements for a time periods dimension. To do this, type the names of the elements in the Insert Element Name dialog box. Since this is a time periods dimension, create the elements total year, quarters 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the months January through December. Once all the elements are created, click OK. Notice on the left-hand side are the elements that we just created. Now all we have to do is put them into a structured hierarchy. This is easily done by shift-clicking the desired elements and dragging and dropping them into the appropriate position. I'll start by shift-clicking elements Q1 through Q4. Then all I'm going to do is simply drag them on top of the total year element. Notice how the elements Q1 through Q4 now roll up into the total year. Let's go ahead and select January through March and have that roll up into the element Q1. Do this for the rest of the months in the appropriate quarters. Now that we have our hierarchy set, go ahead and click OK. You're now going to be prompted to name your dimension. Name it time periods, then click OK. Notice under the dimension module, we have our dimension we just created, time periods. And there you have it. You just created your very first dimension in TM1 Server Explorer. If you have any further questions, comments, or suggestions, please feel free to contact us at thoughtstreamconsulting.com. Thanks again and have a good day.